Paula here. So I want to go ahead and talk about paper towels, and we're going to compare this one to that one so that you can decide which one's actually best for you. So product number one is actually going to be these Viva Signature cloths. These are extremely durable, and they're almost like cloth themselves. So just to go ahead and open them up here, you can see you can pull off a single sheet, or if you wanted, you could go ahead and actually pull off a full sheet just like that, okay? Now, they are very, very soft. They are very much like cloth, and you can tell that they don't have any type of design or anything on them. They are plain Jane white, but very, very thick and very durable. Now, these Bounty Essentials, go ahead and open these. You can tell almost immediately how much bigger the roll is compared to the Viva. So these paper towels are actually going to be double ply. They're going to be two of them into one. Let's separate these here. And you can see that they do have a very, very small design, and so that's so that when you're actually picking up a spill or whatever it may be, it will go ahead and actually absorb into that. But these two, you can go ahead and do a half sheet, or if you're needing to go ahead and do a full sheet, you can do a full sheet. So small spills, these will be perfect. They definitely will go ahead and absorb well. If you're needing something much, much thicker, let's say you're wanting to clean off your mirror, I would definitely go with the Viva cloth. Either way, you decide which one's better for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope y'all have a great day.